combine or merge multiple files into one TIFF image with Raster Image Printer 12. You can easily combine multiple files into a single TIFF image with TIFF Image Printer. The following instructions also apply if you are using a Raster Image Printer. We will combine a Word document, a JPEG image, an Excel spreadsheet into a single TIFF image. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the TIFF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the TIFF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the TIFF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Select Add a Profile. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Combine to TIFF and enter a description such as Combine to Single Multi-Page TIFF. The output type is already set to TIFF multi-paged at 300 dpi, which is what we want. To turn on the Combine feature, enable Append Pages to an existing file. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Beside the TIFF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Combine to TIFF as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close printer management and the dashboard. Open the first document you want to convert to TIFF. Select File, Print, select TIFF Image Printer as your printer, click Print to send the file to TIFF Image Printer. Then set the name and save location of your new TIFF image. To add a JPEG image to this project, open the JPEG image in your favorite image viewer. Select File, Print, select TIFF Image Printer as your printer, click Print to send the file to TIFF Image Printer. In order to merge this TIFF image to our existing file, we must save it in the same location and assign the same file name. Click Save to append the TIFF files. To add an Excel spreadsheet to this project, open the Excel spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Select File, Print, select TIFF Image Printer as your printer, click Print to send the file to TIFF Image Printer. Again, in order to merge this TIFF image to our existing file, we must save the file in the same location and assign the same file name. Click Save to append the TIFF files. Now we have created a single TIFF file from our Word, JPEG, and Excel documents. You can speed up the merging process by designating the output location and the output file name directly in the profile. Reopen the Combine to TIFF profile that we created. Under the Save Options tab, set the output location and output file name of your TIFF images. For further automation, you can disable Prompt for the output location and base file name so that you are not prompted by the Save As dialog each time you print. To test our changes, open another file. Select File, Print, select TIFF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to TIFF Image Printer. We have now merged this document with our existing TIFF file. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.